Have you been thinking about buying a house in the Mississauga or the GT area, but you've been freaking out because the interest rate's been going up? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 unthought of benefits of increased interest rate. Hi, my name is Dan. I'm from Mehta Realty Services. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the 5 unthought of benefits of higher interest rate. Now, if you've been thinking about buying a house, but because the rates have been going up and you're thinking, screw that, I'm not going to be buying anytime soon, then I want to tell you that you are probably missing out one of the biggest opportunities presented to you as a buyer in a long period of time. So let's dive in right now. The benefit number 1 is less competition. As you may have noticed that the number of homes sales have come down. So we have now more inventory on the market because now properties are taking longer to sell and we have new properties also coming on the market. It is still tight supply. However, because we have a lot of buyers who chose not to pursue home buying dream right now just because they're scared of increase in interest rate, this is your opportunity because now you have more opportunities to look at homes and find the right home. About 6 months ago, when people were buying homes, they didn't have this opportunity. They were just forced to buy homes without seeing, without any conditions, without any inspections, without even mortgage condition, and it was just a look of a draw that hopefully everything will work out. But now you can buy a home that is good for you, that is in a neighborhood that you're interested in, that has all the amenities that you want or need. So you have more options available right now. Number, less competition, because right now a lot of buyers who've been on the sideline thinking that they do not want to buy right now. So you have now less competition. So as we said before, we have less number of buyers on the market and we have number of inventories going up, which means now you have more options to pick from and less competition. So you can actually look at few properties, make an offer. If it doesn't work out for whatever reason, we do have option to go and make an offer on the next property. Number 3, have conditions. About 6 months ago, if you've been following the real estate market, you may have noticed that people bought their properties unseen without any condition of appraisal, no condition of finance, no condition of home inspection. So typically in real estate, when you're purchasing, you are looking for 3 typical conditions, which is condition of appraisal to make sure your property appraised and a value that you're purchasing to protect your interest. Number 2 is home inspection to make sure that property doesn't have any major flaws, or at least you know what you're getting into as a buyer. And number 3, condition of finances to make sure that once you firm up the purchase, you know that you're going to get that mortgage. So you know your affordability and your payments. So now you can have all these 3 things in your offer and sellers are more willing to look at the offer with conditions. 6 months ago, 9 months ago, if you are going to make an offer on a property and you say, I want to make a condition of finance or home inspection, seller will not even entertain the offer because they will say, oh, I have 20 other offers waiting. And that was true. The market was hot, but now the things have changed. So now we are moving from seller's market to switching towards, we are not there yet, but towards the buyer's market. So the scale is tipping. The next one is renegotiation. If you are finding a property with so many major flaws, like for example, roof is leaking or there is a major issue with the furnace, now you do have an option as a buyer to go back to the seller and renegotiate some sort of an adjustment to fix those issues, which again, about 6 to 9 months ago, that option was not on the table. So you as a buyer have now more options available, you have a little bit of more say, and you have more breathing room to do your due diligence. Number 5, lender. Believe it or not, in today's market, you do have an option to get a mortgage in low 4%. And we do have lenders who are offering this actively. In addition to that, we also have a lender who will give you a firm approval. What does that mean? If we give you an approval today and hypothetically the rate goes up in 30 days and the property value goes down from 1 million to let's say 900,000, you are still going to get the mortgage on 1 million. The lender is not going to come back and say, hey, your property value have gone down, so we cannot give you the 80% loan to value, which is a good thing because it protects your interest. We do have lenders who are offering benefit to our buyers. If you want to learn more about this lending program, or if you're actively looking to buy, or if you want to discuss about your particular situation, send me the email or text message or give me a call. My number is below, and I'll be more than happy to connect with you to set up a consultation time and connect you with one of our lenders to discuss your particular lending options so that you can make an informed decision. This is Dan from Dan Mehta Realty Services, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.